Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best UV light boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the KAHAT Fast Large Capacity Portable UVC Light Sanitizer. Enjoy fast and effective sterilization with UV light box from KAHAT. This UVC light box is compact and portable. On top of that, it helps kill 99% of germs with its 8 LED UVC lights. Moreover, you will also sterilize your beauty tools, car keys, glasses, watches, cell phones, and jewelry within 3 minutes. Once its top lid is opened, the inner sterilizing lamp turns off automatically, protecting you against exposure to light. What's more, this UV light box comes in perfect size design to perfectly fit up to 7.0 inches Samsung Note 10. Lastly, this UV light box also features a wireless charger for Android, iOS Qi-enabled devices. Moving on at number 4, we have the KAHAT UV Fast Light Sanitizer Box. Enjoy complete sanitization with KAHAT Fast UV Light Box. This UVC light sanitizer is portable and upgraded with extra rack. In all honesty, it helps get rid of 99% of invisible threats with its 8 true LED UVC bulbs. With this UVC light sanitizer, you will also disinfect your car keys, glasses, earpods, watches, cell phones, and jewelry within 3 minutes. Once its cover is opened, the inner lamps automatically turn off, protecting you against exposure to light. Outstandingly, this UV light box comes in a deeper and larger design to perfectly fit up to 6.5 inches Samsung Note 10 and iPhone 11 Pro Max. What's more, its new mirror design alongside the bracket included can result in optimum performance. Lastly, this UV light box also features a wireless charger for Android, iOS Qi-enabled devices. At number 3, we have the Papablick 4-in-1 UV Light Sanitizer, Dryer Pro, box with dual UVC lights. Protect your loved ones from dangerous viruses and bacteria with the aid of this powerful UV light box from Papablick. To start with, this UV light box effectively sterilizes and sanitizes your car keys, glasses, earpods, nail clippers, watches, cell phone and jewelry, and more of flu and cold-causing germs within 3 minutes. In addition to that, its LED UV lamp beads have a service life of 10,000 hours. What's more, this UV light box disinfects safely and quickly by emitting UV light of 260 nanometers to 280 nanometers wavelength via 8 UVC LEDs. Keep the accessories sterile and minimize the risk of viral infections. Finally, the package includes a user manual, disinfection testimonial, power adapter, tool holder, and disinfection box. At number 2, we have the Hope Overseas C+ UV Light Bag. Hope Overseas UVC Light Box is equipped with long-lasting UVC LED beads. This UVC light box from Hope Overseas is well covered with reflective aluminum foil lining material. With its UVC LED beads, emitting C-band short wavelength UV radiation and radiating it through the reflective lining into the disinfection bag is much possible. On top of that, it is constructed with high-quality waterproof twill polyester, strong zippers, and non-fraying stitching with an easily washable and detachable middle spacer. What's more, it also disinfects non-porous surfaces, air, and water with large capacity disinfects. It suitably fit many items. Amazingly, it kills a 99.99% invisible threat in 5 minutes. In other words, this UV light bag is specially designed to clean and sterilizes all your belongings and accessories like cell phones, wallets, and clothes. And finally at number 1, we have the Lofter 4-in-1 UV Light Box. This Lofter UV light box is made with a portable and foldable design. It is a 4-in-1 sanitizer box. It has a dryer mode, storage mode, and UV light mode. Moreover, it uses only 5 minutes to sterilize, which is fast and very effective. TEPA certifies this UV light box. Therefore, it is absolutely harmless and safe. It sterilizes at an angle of 360 degrees and eliminates any odor. It is then very effective in sanitizing large items such as bathtubs, sofas, toilets, and tables. What's more, this UV light box can be handheld. It sanitizes up to 99.9%. Its dryer mode has an automatic thermostatic adjustment, which ensures no cloth damage. It measures 12.4 by 7.7 by 9.43. This UV light box can accommodate 20 masks, 20 underpants, and 15 towels. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.